Welcome to DSV Travel Trip. This time we're embarking on an exciting journey to the stunning city of Alicante, nestled along the beautiful Costa Blanca. Alicante is located in the southeast of the Iberian Peninsula, gracing the shores of the picturesque Mediterranean Sea. As the capital of the province of Alicante, the city is renowned for its captivating charm and rich history, inspiring countless artists and writers to capture its essence in their works. More than just a bustling city, Alicante is also an important port on the Costa Blanca, contributing to its cultural and economic significance in Spain. With its status as the 8th largest metropolitan area in Spain, Alicante is situated in a unique, arid landscape. Surprisingly, the city lacks any major permanent water sources, yet it flourishes in other ways. Today, Alicante is a vibrant tourist destination, attracting thousands of visitors each year. They come for its stunning beaches, fascinating historic landmarks, and the overall charm that the city has to offer. One of the great aspects of Alicante is the perfect blend of leisure activities and cultural attractions. Whether you're interested in relaxing on the beach, exploring historical sites, or indulging in local cuisine, Alicante has something for everyone. The area around Alicante boasts a history that spans over 7,000 years. The Moors, who ruled southern Spain until 1100 AD, played a crucial role in shaping the city we see today, leaving a rich architectural legacy. In 1246, Alfonso X captured Alicante for the Castilian crown, a pivotal moment that would lead to its growth as a key urban center. Over time, Alicante developed into a natural port for Castile, which significantly enhanced its maritime trade and economic development. Like many coastal cities, Alicante has faced its share of challenges. Throughout history, it has been invaded multiple times, with each incursion arriving by sea. The 19th century marked a transformative era for Alicante, as it began to prosper and expand with the arrival of the railway in 1858. This advancement linked Alicante to other major cities in the center of the peninsula, enhancing its connectivity and trade. In the early 20th century, Alicante emerged as a minor capital, benefiting from Spain's neutrality during World War I. This period provided new opportunities for local industries and agriculture to flourish. Today, the province of Alicante stands as the second largest region within the Valencian Autonomous Community, showcasing its importance within Spain. The city's port has been revitalized since the industrial decline of the 1980s, now serving as a more popular entry point into Alicante for both tourists and locals alike. Alicante's airport, located at El Altet, is among the busiest in Spain, generating traffic that rivals that of major city airports like Barcelona and Madrid. Perched majestically above the city is the Castillo de Santa Barbara, a stunning fortress that seems to rise organically from a rocky outcrop, offering breathtaking views of the Mediterranean Sea. Its strategic location on Mount Benacantil is a testament to its military significance, having served as a key stronghold since the days of the Carthaginians. Visitors can explore the castle through self-guided tours or guided visits, delving into its rich history and enjoying the spectacular vistas. The old town of Alicante feels like a charming village, nestled on the hillside beneath the castle. Here you'll find winding streets and steep stairways flanked by high whitewashed walls, inviting exploration and discovery. Local residents take great pride in their homes, often decorating balconies and doorsteps with vibrant flowers and painting their shutters in lovely shades of blue and green. At the heart of the city lies Postigat Beach, a gem tucked beneath the Castillo de Santa Barbara. This idyllic beach offers the serenity of gentle waves and calm turquoise waters, making it an ideal spot for swimming and relaxation. During the summer months, the beach attracts crowds drawn to its fine golden sand and excellent facilities, including restaurants, public restrooms, showers, and designated beach volleyball areas. The Explanada de España, a beautifully designed promenade adorned with marble, provides a scenic route for visitors. Beginning in the Old Town, it stretches along the city's seafront next to the marina, making it easy to navigate and enjoy the views. In many Spanish cities, a leisurely stroll is an integral part of life, and the Explanada allows you to experience this tradition in style. As you walk beneath the shade of palm trees, you'll feel the vibrant ambience of Alicante, watching the daily life of locals unfold around bustling terraces and lively market stalls. The Central Market of Alicante is a must-visit, recognized as the largest in the city. It serves as a successor to two smaller markets that existed in the late 19th century, showcasing the evolution of local commerce. Spanning almost 11,000 square meters, the market houses nearly 300 stalls, with vendors offering a variety of fresh produce, including fruits and vegetables, fish and seafood, meats, sausages, and eggs. Alicante is a destination that draws visitors nearly year-round, making it an attractive option for travelers. If you're wondering about the best time to visit, May and June are undoubtedly ideal months to experience the city at its finest. This recommendation is based on several factors, including pleasant weather, affordable flight and accommodation options, and fewer crowds. Alicante's climate is generally well-balanced, though it can become quite hot in the summer and chilly in the winter, with significant temperature fluctuations. Autumn offers a quieter atmosphere, with occasional rainfall that adds to the city's charm. What do you think of this beautiful Spanish city? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel DSV Travel Trip for more amazing destinations to explore.